Cheap dash cams, any good? Let's find out. So, during the recent Prime sale, this little bad boy picked up. It's the MAISI M85, not quite sure how you pronounce that, and it's a dash cam. And this was going for just £12. So, is it any good? Now, I've always wanted a dash cam, but I didn't want to fork out a load of money because basically I didn't know if I'd ever really use it, per se. So, this one came along £12. It's meant to be like full HD, super HD in fact, 1296. And it was only £12. Got the Umbrella A7 chipset. Like I say, it's meant to be full HD, super wide lens, HDR, advanced G sensor, loop recording, advanced driver assistance as well. That's really handy, whatever that is, and one key emergency recording. So let's take it out and see how good it is on the road. Okay, just before we hit the car, this is us filming in the same kind of setup, using the camera on its highest setting. So, how much difference does this look compared to the Osmo Pocket? That's an interesting comparison. £12 camera versus a £300 camera. Well, anyway, to the car. So here's the camera out the box. Nice bit of kit, not very heavy. And we're now going to attach it to the windscreen and set it up and see what the video quality is like. But it's a nice looking camera. Like I said, it's got an Umbrella chipset, which is the same as what's on this Osmo Pocket. Not the same chip, but same manufacturer at least. So it's got a 150 degree wide angle lens and an f2.6mm. So let's put it on. Okay, so that's it on the dash, and we're going to turn it on. So the dash on the window. Silly Billy, aren't I? Welcome. And there we go. So it seems to start recording straight away. It's got face detection. Has basically 1,000,000,001 options. Time, video, resolutions, photos. Like I said, we've got on top res. And anyway, there'll be some other idiot on the internet doing a video of how to set it up. We're just gonna roll and see how we get on. So this is our trip using the dash cam. Okay, so we've done the first part of the journey and now it's started raining. So no matter how good your camera is, you need to make sure you got good windscreen wipers as well. So let's drive a little bit more and see what it's like in a bit of a darker situation with also the rain. And just before we start up our journey, I'm just going to tell you, I don't know how to work this. I've been just through the settings. I've not really messed with anything per se, just put it on top resolution. So this is a proper realistic use out of the box test, not someone who's had it for weeks, and I need to know if this is a usable straight out of the box experience and also what it's like straight out of the box. So just in case anybody wondered what the audio sounds like from the camera, this is us recording the audio from the camera. I would suspect the audio to be, well, I don't know really, because the picture quality from what I've seen is pretty good. So maybe the audio's pretty good. It looks like the mics face the windscreen, which probably not the best. You should probably put them on the side, realistically, because you're going to get no sound from the windscreen, but regardless. But this is what it sounds like. I'm not quite sure how it sounds, but we'll find out. But this is the audio from the camera. So as you see in there, it's pretty easy to fit, and the footage is good, in my opinion, for the price I paid. Now, it's a little bit more now you're going to pay for it off the Prime deal, but keep on looking because Prime deals pop up all the time. There could be another bargain just around the corner for you. But I'm very happy with it, and it'd be an incredible bit of kit. And even if I paid full price, I think I'd still be happy. I looked at a lot of these cameras, and you never really know what the picture image quality is going to be like. And this, for me, well, looks perfect in my eyes. Anyway, there we go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.